Good morning, everybody. It is time that we get our garden tilled. Nick and Jen were nice enough to lend us their Troy-Bilt rear tine tiller to tear this thing up. We're gonna expand it a little bit, so let's get going. We create new content every week. Make sure you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. This thing is heavy, it's working me. It's not even that hot out, but I am sweating. When it grabs a root, granted this isn't the best area to be doing, and that's totally untouched. I guess I can't complain, but if you get on a rock or something and it wants to go, these wheels get moving fast and it just wants to take off. We just got a lot of it done. It definitely is not perfect, but I think it's gonna be better than what we had. Almost double the size. There are some hills and some rocks we might have to work around, but once we get this leveled out with the rake, it'll be pretty nice. Over here it dips off a little bit and it gets a little swampy down there, so we're gonna have to watch what plants we plant down in that area. Over here there's also a stump and a big rock. We'll see if we can plant there, just work around it. But we've got a few extra feet on this side. Obviously, we're gonna get weeds when we grow in here, but we'll work through it. We are all done tilling. Let's get this thing raked out and clear some of the rocks out. All right, so I just used a regular rake and a landscape rake to kind of give it its shape and not have any huge crevices in there. So right now I'm gonna take the leaf rake and see if we can knock out some of this small stuff. The garden area is looking pretty good. I'm super excited to plant some veggies in this. I think we'll be able to have a lot more this year just by the sheer space, and our spacing should also be better. I want to say thank you to John for initially breaking up our garden with his backhoe. It really helped it out, making the soil a lot more loose. And then my other neighbor, Dan, for hooking me up with the pig manure. Should help if we throw it in there and give it some extra fertilizer. Make sure you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. New videos every week, so make sure you hit that bell notification button. Guys, it is time. We are going to get these veggies in the ground. Come with us. All right, so we just got all the veggies in the ground, give them a little bit of water. What we need to do next is put a fence up around so our chickens don't come through and annihilate these veggies. We don't want our chickens to steal our veggies. So that's another project coming up. Over here we have jalapenos, tomatoes, lettuce, still more coming in for these. A few strawberries, and we're gonna do a whole row of peppers. We have our, what are these?
Daddy, how do you make this thing move?
Cucumbers, we're gonna get that whole row going. And then zucchini over here. In the back, we got our corn in the ground, and we'll be waiting, or not the corn, we have the sunflowers in the ground. Over there in the back, it'll be corn, but those are still in the greenhouse and the seeding trays right now. Hopefully we can get those in here soon. Check out right here, this will be the group of our gardening videos, and you can follow along with our story. See you next time on Break Free Homestead. Make sure you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button,